Upgrading your car's suspension doesn't stop after you throw on a set of coilovers. You can actually dial in the feel of your car even more with something like an upgraded sway bar, adjustable end links, and all of that sort of stuff. Over the past year, we've added a ton of the Whiteline catalog, including their sway bars to MartiniWorks.com. And today, we're gonna be taking a look at one of their aftermarket sway bar kits for the S13. Now, before we get into this, you might have a question of what actually is a sway bar, what does it do, and why would you actually want to upgrade one? Well, from the factory, your car will, or should at least, come with a front and rear factory sway bar or anti-roll bar. This part of the suspension links both sides of the car to help minimize body roll when cornering, especially when going into a corner at a faster than normal speed. Now, when you dive into that corner, your car will want to lean to the outside, gravity, physics, all that sort of stuff, loading up the suspension on that side of the car. Now, when this happens, a torsion force is going to be applied to the sway bar and it will twist ever so slightly. So when you upgrade the stock factory one to something like an aftermarket one from Whiteline, essentially what you're going to be doing is going with something with a larger diameter that takes a lot more force to twist with that torsion force that is being applied. Now, this reduces the amount of body roll that the vehicle will have and will help keep more of the contact patch of the tire on the ground when cornering, which is exactly what something like this Whiteline sway bar is. It's a larger diameter. In some cases, you can choose the diameter to go with if you want something a little bit more aggressive or not. So this is going to be a fantastic upgrade for those looking to get into things like autocross or HPDE and are really trying to stiffen up the actual car when going into a corner, trying to reduce as much body roll as possible. It's going to keep the car more level when you throw it into that corner, not only providing more performance and grip, but just giving you more overall confidence when you go to throw that car into the corner, knowing exactly what it's going to feel like. Now, there are some adjustability in these sway bars. This one has just some standard end links to them, but you can get some adjustable end links as well that Whiteline offers, so you can adjust that stiffness to your liking. And you can control things like the oversteer that it will have when you go with something that's a super stiff sway bar. Now, why Whiteline specifically? Why did we choose to bring them onto the site? Well, it's because a company that has been put through its paces over the last few decades. Whiteline is an Australian-based company that has been around for over 30 years, and they have a ton of engineering that they put into every single one of their components. They come with all of the pieces you need, whether you're looking at a complete sway bar kit or an adjustable end link kit. This front sway bar for the S13 and S14 comes with the bar itself, the bushings, the end links, even some brackets for mounting everything as well, and of course some new hardware for everything right out of the box, ready to go into the car. Makes everything super simple. Sway bars themselves have a really nice quality coating on it, so it's going to be underneath your cars. It's going to be beat on by the elements, so that's going to hold up really nice. You're going to not have to worry about it cracking or chipping or anything like that. And all their products are put through the ringer, are tested in real competitive environments, such as the World Time Attack Challenge, is something that they compete in regularly, and you'll see a ton of Whiteline products out there doing that. Now, we've also had firsthand experience with a lot of their products. Pretty much every car that we've modified here at MartiniWorks, we've thrown some of the Whiteline catalog at it. That includes our R34 GTT, our S15, and like I said, this will be going on my personal S13 as well, so I'm excited to see what kind of a difference that makes. So we've had really good experience with Whiteline stuff, both personally, and even some of our friends have reported feedback that they really like the stuff that they put on their car and have had nothing but good things to say about it. And honestly, comes in at a pretty decent price for what you're getting, whether you're looking for a complete kit, whether you're looking for some new bushings, whether you're looking for just the adjustable end links, whatever it might be. We have all of that available over at MartiniWorks.com. So if you're interested at all in checking out the Whiteline catalog, or confused or have some questions on what would be the best upgrade for your car, let us know down below. We'll be more than happy to answer it.